Hi, welcome to my workroom. Well, in this case, my kitchen. This is my first video, so please forgive me if I'm a little weird, but I'll try to make a good impression. On my channel, I plan on, as you can see, I'm retiring at the end of the year, which at this point is 2 weeks away. Basically, I have one more day at work. So, that's the start of my video career. We'll see what happens. What we're fixing today is I went to Menards. Let's turn the video over here. I went to Menards. Menards is my favorite awesomest place. They're not sponsoring me, but you know, I'm open. I bought some Christmas lights. These Christmas lights were an open bin item. Bought them, hoping they work. We're gonna see. I think I paid $8.24. They're originally $19. Because they're an open box item, they were like $14, and then all of Menards is a Dutch auction, 45% off. So $9, worth a shot, right? Let's see what happens. Well, instructions are here. We don't need that. As you can see, it's an open box because it's in here in a snarl. Let's figure out what's going on. Alright, there we go. Let's plug them in. See if they work. I'm just going to shorten myself out. There we go. Ha! Look at that. Death. That's why they were your turn. So usually what I do, let me turn on some more light. Sorry about that. Usually what I do is either take a bulb, well in this case I don't know what exactly size bulb it is. These are incandescent, not LEDs. I'm going to pull a bulb out of something that's working. Oh. Stays lit. Oh, look at that. Little. I don't know if you can see in there. A little circuit board in there. Never saw that before. So this is something different. Alright. Well, that just means that it's probably not a bulb. If I could pull one out completely and it doesn't turn off part of the set, there's something else going on here. So let's put this back in. Lit back up. Before I get out a meter, let's just do some checking. Make sure all the bulbs are there. Oh, there's a little thingy. Wonder what that does. There's a couple of them on here. I don't know. Probably a fuse, right? Is it going to be boring checking bulbs for you? Sorry. This is kind of what you got to do when you got Christmas bulbs. Incandescence. Ooh! Ooh, look at that. See it? I wonder. Maybe. Maybe. Ha 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 ha! Look at that. Ooh. We got a little fixing to do in there. Alright. If you look in there, this little thing kind of pushes up on the side, and that contacts the bulb, And it also contacts this. It's probably some kind of a bypass fuse circuit thing. It keeps it on. So I think I just gotta force this in there some more. Which side isn't in? This side isn't in. Let's take this and force this up in here some more. Ooh, click. Click's good. Oh, well, the whole thing clicked out. Alright, so what we got here? Alright. Ah. A little resistor or something in there. Okay. And this looks like a little torqued out of shape. Let's get this happy. Bend it straight. Very delicate, looks like. Alright. I wonder if there's a front and a back. Don't look like it. It's probably just a fuse resistor or something. Alright. Back in the hole. Do it so my fat fingers can see. Alright, back in the hole. Alright. Like this guy. No. I don't think I like this. I think this has to go in after. Let's get this guy in place. So it looks like it probably some little tabbies on there. I think that probably holds it. Right. Looks like it's kind of in place. No, it's not in place here. So this way, so that the flat part is against the wall and the big part's in. We obviously have a machine doing this. I, my friends, am not a machine. A little positive bend on it there. This is awesome though. Got a cheap set of lights and I can put them up in my window, and I know what the deal is. LEDs and home automation people do LEDs, and you know what? X lights. I ain't there yet. Maybe this summer, maybe future videos. Get some LEDs on the house. I don't know. This is becoming fun. It wants me to chase it. It's a chase. More pen down. There's a little slot I got to get into, and you know, folks, if I could show it to you, I would. Maybe someday I'll get a microscope or something and I can do that, but not right now. That ain't it. I wonder, it just kind of sits in there. Because that's not working well. Here we go. Get it kind of there this way. Ooh. Don't want to lose that baby. I need one of these. Ah, little poker thingy. Do you guys have names for your tools? I don't. Well, it's fun naming them as I go. So, poker thingy. Let me get this little freaking wire in there. Maybe. I'd like to see the machine that does this. You know it's some machine. Built by the Chinese government, probably. I don't know if they could just build it to stay. It'd be great. But I wouldn't have to be fussing with it. Yeah, I know, I should take it back, right? What's the fun in that? We're here to fix things. Come on. Is that it? Nope. You know, that might be it. There. Ooh, like that. Alright. Put this baby in there. This should lock it in place. Push her down. That looks fantastic. Put the bulb in. That looks fantastic. Okay, as a friend of mine from my old company said, place your bets. Place your bets. It'll work or it'll explode, like my friend Justin said. Yay! Okay, we fixed it. Well, that's what I have for today. Today we're fixing Christmas lights. The old-fashioned Christmas lights. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe. Click the like button. That'd be great. Thank you. Until next time, we'll see you with episode 2.